You can see some of those planes
아, 이 경비행기가 타고 가는 거야, 이게.
And again, just like we mentioned, all the way back there in Anchorage, planes are very important here in Alaska. And this is actually one of the places you can go and get your license. Now to get your license here in Alaska, you only have to be 16 years old, which is pretty crazy and kind of scary since I know some of the high school drivers, my high school, I would not want to see
여기도
them
그림자가, 이쪽 그림자가 지네.
Now, once we cross over this bridge off to the right-hand side again, we'll be seeing the postal service or the post office here in Moose Pass. Now, this isn't particularly important, but in the history of Moose Pass itself, it is quite important. In fact, that's actually how this place got its name. As in the early years of the Alaska Railroad, this was a construction port as well as a section house here in this area. Workers would be working on the railroad here and spending nights. In any location, you have to have a mail service, and one very unlucky fellow ended up delivering mail in this area. And while he was doing so, he ran into a lot of moose. So he came up with this genius idea of naming this community Moose Pass in the hopes of attracting hunters to dwindle down the moose population. Now, I do not think his plan worked out, as I hear there's almost more moose than people here in the community of Moose Pass.
여기도 대칭 되네. 지금 아무 때문에.
금방 지나가.
나 찍었어, 대칭된 거.
자기 아까 그 양반은 양재 선글라스 때문에 나오는
사진 강의하는 거. 아니, 근데 나는 이따가 열어봐야 돼.
장님이 아니고 나무